Today I'm going to be trying to repair my own headlights, or should I say restore them, and get all the dirty looking grime on it that's on them. So stick around if you are interested in seeing the outcome of my do-it-yourself today. Going through the car wash to get ready to do my headlights today. Thank you. All right, you too.
Place your car in neutral and take your foot off the brake. Thank you.
This is what my headlights are looking like before I apply the coating. So we're going to see if it makes a difference after I am done. All right, the first step the cleaning involves is the oxidation remover, which is going to remove most of the film that is on the lights. And it's 8 in a pack and 4 for each headlight. So let's get started. So now you have to wet them completely. That's what I'm doing. Alright, so step 2, I'm going to stick this onto the scrubby scrub to rub down. Okay, alright, so we're now done with step 2. Moving on to the last step, which entails putting on the gray buffer, which is this. So I'm going to attach this to the pad, and then we'll show you. We'll show you what's happening. All right, so there we go. It's attached, and all you do is stick it on there. So it's nothing complicated to attach it. Okay. So make sure you wet it really well. And it's really windy today. So I'm trying to make sure that I get this done and wipe it off my car as quick as I can. Alright. Okay, I'm wetting it again. I'm going to go in and scrub as I am spraying. So I'm going to have to put the camera down and do this. So I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like after I have scrubbed it off. Be right back. Okay, so this is what the headlight looks like before I put the final coating on there. This one still looks a little fuzzy to me, but overall we'll see how it looks after the coating, the last coating goes on. Okay. Step 3. Okay, and it needs to be bone dry before you apply the coating, as the directions stated. And again, I'm overlapping it to make sure the coating is even. Alright guys, this comes out because this is my first time ever doing anything like this. And I just wanted to try it on my own. See if I can do it. If it doesn't turn out well, I'll be heading to the car repair. It's supposed to not damage the paint, but you still want to not wet it beyond there if you can help it. Okay. Right there. Alright guys, so that's the passenger side. Okay, we're gonna let it dry. Directions say to let it dry for 60 minutes, an hour before you take off driving anywhere until it is set. Alright, we'll be back. Let's see how it looks. Well, I can say it looks 100% better than it did before I put it on there. So I'm pleased. I need to take my car in to have them to clean the motor. But you know, females are hesitant to do that kind of thing because if you take it in for something simple like that, some shops will take advantage of you and decide that you need this done and you need that done. And I know this car runs impeccably well to be a used vehicle. I was on my way back from LA and a big alligator, which is what we call down south, the big pieces of rubber that's in the road, from the big rigs when they have a blowout. A car ran over it and it came flying right into my hood of my car. And that's how I got that crack there. So I've got an estimate done on that and getting ready to put it in the shop to have that repaired for the cosmetic sake. But anyway, this is it, guys. I'm pleased with myself. Something that I could do on my own without having to take it to the shop. Alright, I'll be back in 60 minutes and let you guys see what it looks like. This looks so much better, guys. So much better. Now I don't have to try and drive at night with my eyeballs glued on the windshield trying to see ahead of me. Increased vision, night vision, should I say.